Weak start for U.S. equities this week as we're looking at the Russell actually up just under 0.5%, but the Dow is down about 0.2%, the S&P down about 0.8%, the Nasdaq down 1.51%, 1.5% as I speak to you right now, with yields still rising, but also Twitter opens weaker. Elon Musk turned down a board seat on Twitter that was offered to him, but there is a little bit of a rally in that stock. That might help the technology sector. Again, the Nasdaq leading to the downside today. But as I mentioned, yields are still rising. We got the 2-year up 4 basis points from Friday's settlement, the 5-year up 4 basis points, the 10-year up 3 basis points, 30-year unchanged. And of course, that means a little bit of curve flattening going on. Not much, not enough to speak of. We also had UK GDP slightly higher than expected, so getting a little bit of support early for the British pound off of that. Crude oil is down 4%, however. The Brent crude's actually down below $100 a barrel. That's pre-invasion levels in terms of Russia-Ukraine. WTI is at about $94 a barrel as I speak to you right now. That's a little bit higher than where we were pre-invasion levels, so only slightly below that. But overall, crude oil is starting to have a demand problem as China continues to fight these COVID problems with lockdowns, et cetera, that they're going through. So that's sort of weighing on the global growth story that has normally been bidding up commodities. Overall, industrial commodities are lower right now, although we do have gold and silver up. Gold up about 0.33%, silver up a little bit more than 1% as I speak to you right now. Now, looking ahead, Chicago Fed President Charles Evans is speaking today. Then in terms of data tomorrow, we've got German inflation figures for March, UK employment data tomorrow, and then Chinese new yuan loans. Also, ZEW economic sentiment indicators for April for both the EU and Germany, and then that ever important March U.S. inflation data, which we get on Tuesday and Wednesday starting tomorrow.